Hi everybody, it's Emmy! It's finally Halloween and I'm so excited. I'm going to do something a little bit more intricate than I usually do. I actually feel like crap. And that's why today we are a zombie. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe because there's always lots of weirdness to come. I feel like it's almost like I'm getting over a cold, but like forever getting over a cold. It's really odd. I'm starting to wonder whether it is corona. Either way, I'm just gonna stay in. Right, first I'm gonna block brows. Can I do this usually? No. The whole glue stick method doesn't work for me. I mean, I don't think it works, so I'm gonna try and use some Prozac. First I'm alcohol wiping, brush up my brows. Prozac. Hello Prozac, my old friend. I will let that set for a bit, I think. I actually have a little thing that I drew, so I can kind of guess what I'm going with, and then like a little checklist. I'm on the first one, and this is like, what, 20 minutes into filming? I don't know why I'm fretting so much about these brows, like, it's gonna be fine. They're probably gonna get covered up by stuff. Poof, illa poof. Powder these bitches. I'm not gonna lie to you, they are a bit crunchy. So, my camera died. And I'm using my phone, which I kind of had been using for a little while, just to sound gets a bit funny. Where am I? Where am I? I was gonna cover these with white. Don't know why, don't even need to, but it's what's happening. There is legit no reason for this. I might just give up with these eyebrows. Do you know how broke I am? My ball cap this week is a swim hat. I'm gonna have to just strategically place splash at the back of my head. Not worrying too much about this being completely perfect, because it's a zombie and they're allowed to have weird head shapes. I'd love to share with you why I do both. One's to get the hair in the right place, well, right enough anyway, and the other one's to actually flatten it out. I am Uncle Fester. I also have a snazzy little logo on both damn sides. Ugh, get comfy. Right, what crap have I got to do? What crap have I done? Where's my pen? Scalax. I'm gonna say we used this last week, but this is like a month or so after for me, so it's actually been ages for me. Firstly, the hands. I have a big vat of Scalax now. Like, it's a big boy. If you remember last time, it was starting to come off. So I'm gonna put a little bit of Prozac down. I actually haven't put cream on today. My skin has started behaving. I found out I had a skin infection because I'm just a really lucky girl. So yeah, that's a thing that happened. I think I'm almost there with like the first bit of Scalax that I need. I'm kind of proud of that. God, I've got to do the other side. That is cheeks. Done. I would tip it off, but I still have million hands. Next is a brow bone thing, which I know what I mean. Just checking my reference pictures, and basically I need to define where my eye socket is so that it's as sunken in as possible. that sufficiently skeletal? Do I look about as sick as I feel? Almost. I meant to go to the gym in 45 minutes. Do you really think that's happening? Nope. There's one hole in my head done. One more and I feel like I'm back in my own territory. Because my territory is tissue and latex. So that's gonna give it even more of a texture, to be honest. I mean, I could do another couple of holes on my neck, but can I be bothered? No, it's been like an hour. I'm gonna powder these because they are, they're pretty Vaselined up, to be honest. Have you seen the state of me? This is debris in the apocalypse and I'm just going really method. That's it. Finally! I'm very happy about the textile. So this is the skinniest I've ever looked. I'm not gonna lie. I kinda like it. One latex, one cotton and another latex. We'll probably do it. I figured out that I need to cover most of this head, my neck. Good. I don't think it'll paint properly unless I cover this crap. I look like a mummy slash Jonathan Harker in the Dracula BBC series. If you're like a normal person, don't get liquid latex near your eyes. It's not the best experience. My eyes are watering like crazy. But I also look crazy, so it kinda works. I feel really weird. But it's a fun weird. I need to powder the hell out of this. Powdered, unpowdered, powdered, unpowdered. Oh god, it's been a long process. It's been like 4 hours, and this is where we are. I'm gonna put foundation all over me. Why? Because I want a fresh canvas. Let's just be honest, KVD Locket Foundation was not mine. It was not one. I thought it was the one. I spent £47 for all the pleasure, and it's not the one. I say I did. I got it for Christmas, because I ain't stupid. I will say, as much as the Locket Foundation did not work for me, it covers stuff right up. To be fair, I'm using way more than the recommended amount. So it would seem I've got a bit ahead of myself. I don't think this looks too bad. Obviously it could be worse. Fine-tuning a couple of the deep bits. Sometimes a dry brush can help. I'm gonna go in with a maroon. The maroon can darken things even further. I never thought I'd be putting foundation on my ears, but here we are. I'm using it like a highlighter now. Cool. Right, I'm gonna do a few extra touches and then it's montage time. Wah! This has taken 4 hours. Appreciate the work. Can't move my face very much, but any time I have moved, little bits come away. But I think it kind of adds to the effect, in my opinion. So if you hadn't noticed, I did some strands of hair stuff. I nicotined my teeth. Oh, I did some lip thing. Yeah, I got my gouges. I put some clot paste from Vermilion FX. They do really good fake blood, so I love them. I have scared my mom, so that's right at the end. Watch for that. I'm enjoying being ugly. My mum said I'm ugly, okay? I just say undead. I don't discriminate against the undead, okay? I'm so pretty. Oh, so pretty. So this is my Halloween look. Tag me in yours, because I really want to see. As always, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, notification bell, all that jazz. The links to my social media is just down below. We have recently added TikTok. As always, I am just in the comments lurking about for you, so get on down and talk to me. I really hope you have a great Halloween, whether that's inside or out. I'm probably going to be inside myself, and I will see you next time. Bye! I'm just about to sneak downstairs to see what Mel thinks of my beautiful makeup. What do you think?
Jesus! She'll bloody warn me.